There are two main types of port scanning, or scanning techniques I would say. TCP scan, also known as connect scan, and SYN scan. It's a good idea to keep in mind that there are also other scanning types as well, such as UDP, TCP null, FIN, Christmas, XMAX, Windows, or Maimon. So if you want to take a look how they work, you can simply type nmap and then check out these scanning techniques: SS, ST, SW, SM, etc., etc. These are the options which you can use for basic nmap scanning, because this is a short guide, not the ultimate guide like you will find typing man nmap. This is the longer one, much longer. Okay, let's clear the screen and continue. So let's quickly take a look at what is happening during TCP scan and SYN scan. In TCP scan, source device sends the packet with SYN flag, and destination device sends back SYN ACK, and finally source device sends ACK to establish connection. In SYN scan, two first packets are the same, SYN and SYN ACK, but in the third step, source device sends reset packet to terminate the connection. So you might be wondering, what is the difference between TCP scan and SYN scan? Well, there are several reasons, pros and cons for each scanning type, why we use them. In SYN scan, which is the default scanning type in Nmap, we collect the results fast, and it also relatively obtrusive and stealthy since it never completes TCP connection. This technique is often referred to as half-open scanning, because you don't open a full TCP connection. But in TCP scan, which is the second default option when SYN scan is not possible due to privilege issues which SYN scan requires, the system call completes the connections to open targets and ports rather than performing the half-open reset that SYN scan does. Not only does this take longer and require more packets to obtain the same information, but target machines are more likely to lock the connection. Okay, that's enough for the theoretical part. So let's give it a try on Kali and do some more practice.